Unlock the hidden hues of your cherished memories and watch your black and white photos burst into life with Nano Banana's incredible image colorization. Ever looked at a faded, old photograph and wished you could see it as it was, or envisioned an artistic project with a vibrant color palette? Nano Banana makes it remarkably simple to transform monochrome images into breathtakingly realistic, colorful masterpieces. Getting started is as easy as uploading your image. Simply navigate to the Nano Banana website and click on the Upload Image button. This will open your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to select the black and white photo you want to colorize. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see a preview now for the magic. Nano Banana uses advanced artificial intelligence to analyze the content of your photo, understanding objects, lighting, and context. This intelligent analysis allows it to predict and apply colors that are not only accurate, but also incredibly natural and vibrant. Watch as Nano Banana works its wonder. You'll see the colors gradually appear, transforming the black and white image into a vivid representation. Look at the difference. The skin tones are warm and natural, the clothing has depth, and the background details are now alive with color. Whether you're restoring a precious family heirloom, creating unique artistic edits, or simply curious to see your old photos in a new light, Nano Banana delivers stunning results every time. Rediscover the beauty in your monochrome memories. Try Nano Banana today and bring your images to life with unparalleled ease and precision.